Hey guys, I thought I'd do another video about my central vacuum system, a little bit more detail. This is all of the attachments and the 30-foot hose. And this power head here looks a whole lot like the one on 84 Random Dude Matt's Electrolux upright vacuum cleaner that he just did a video on. I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't know they made uprights and used the same style, but that's the same power head part, I think, because that's his vacuum cleaner's got. This one is from 1996. I had it installed in December of 1996. And this has been a really good power head. It's never even had to have a belt in all those years. It's just worked fine. I never had to do anything to it. It's kind of looking rough, but still works good. It's also got a little mini one for, I guess, upholstery, and it's a little motorized one. It's got electric contacts there. It's a K107C Electrolux. This is for the bare floors and rugs, I guess. This is kind of neat. You can turn it one way and it's got using that side, or you can turn it this other way. And you've got your rug tool. I think that's for rugs. I usually just use it on this side over here for the hard floors, though. I use the power nozzle on the rugs. And these two, put them together and they make up the part that make it a long deal for the power head. And the hose here, this is the end of it. That one part there. It connects like this. Makes your electrical connection there. This hose carries low voltage and high voltage. It's got a little switch here, 1 and 2. 2 is turns on the power to the power nozzles, and 1 is just the vacuum. The middle is off there. That turns off the vacuum cleaner. It's got the low voltage wires connect to these points right here, and there's 2 little contacts in the inlets in the wall that make contact with these, and that switch either way closes that, turns on the power unit outside in the laundry room. And this is like I say, a 30-foot hose. Now a lot of houses have it made, the inlets have 120 volts at them, and you just plug both these in, but I didn't do that here since it was an existing house. I just made it where you have to plug in a cord to get power to the accessories on mine. And this is the power unit. It's got the motor and the filter and the dirt collector there. So the neat thing about these is it's exhausted to the outside. That goes right out the wall there outside. So all the, any little fine particles of dust just go blowing right on outside that might get past the filter, but it's got a pretty good filter, so I don't think a lot gets by it. But my piping is in the attic, because like I say, this was added many years after this house was built. I've got an inlet in the laundry room here too. Electrolux. You can see those 2 buttons right there. That's where those low voltage contacts get made there to turn on the power unit. And right there behind that little plate was where you would have your 120 volt contacts if it were wired that way, and you wouldn't have to plug the hose in. And I'll get a shot of that running here before this is over. This is my accessory hose for outside, like vacuuming out cars and out in this room here. It doesn't have a switch on it. It just has a solid ring, so when you plug it in, it turns it on no matter which way it's plugged in there. It doesn't matter. So I'll go ahead and start it so we can hear what it sounds like. here's the inlet in the house. See, it's got the same contacts there that other one had. And it just plugs in there just like that. And when you flip the switch to either side there, okay, now I'm ready to use the power nozzle, so plug that in. I got it hooked up already. I'm going to get after this recliner a little bit. Sure I can find a crumb or two in it. I'll try. Well guys, here's the other inlet in the house. 30-foot hose doesn't quite reach to the all ends of this house, so there had to be another one here. So anyway guys, that's an overview of my central vacuum system. Just thought I'd do a little bit better one for you. Over and out.